In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how many screenshots I can upload to ChatGPT in a single go. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, and I'll begin by moving my cursor down to the text input bar, where I'll click on the plus icon to add my files. From the options that appear, I'll select the one to upload photos and files directly from my device. This opens up my computer's File Explorer, and I'm going to navigate over to my Pictures folder where I have a large collection of screenshots saved from my recent projects. I want to see if I can process a big batch of these all at once, so I'm going to highlight a large group of files, specifically selecting more than 20 individual screenshots, and then I'll click Open. As you can see, the system immediately flags this action, and a bright red warning banner appears at the very top of my screen. It clearly lets me know that I can only upload 20 files at a time in a single message or batch. Because of this restriction, I have to be a bit more strategic about how I share my visual data with the AI. If I have a massive set of images to analyze, I'll simply upload them in smaller groups or separate my questions into a few different prompts to ensure ChatGPT can process every detail accurately without hitting this cap. It's a very helpful limit to keep in mind when I'm working on intensive research or trying to organize a long series of visual notes. If you found this quick walkthrough and limit test helpful for your own workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and tips.